Hello, in this video we're gonna check if Fortnite is available for NOKIA G60. And to do this we'll need to check a few platforms. First let's go and click on the Google Play Store. But as we all know, game is not available on this platform right here. Now let's go to the Epic Games launcher. Here's a Fortnite. We can click Get and install it, and that would confirm this device has a Fortnite support. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.